In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify payments quickly and easily so that your store can start accepting payments seamlessly. Setting up Shopify payments is crucial for any online store as it allows you to manage all your transactions in one place, ensuring both ease of use and security for you and your customers. Let's dive right in. Begin by navigating to the Shopify admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your store. Once you're there, hover your cursor and find the Settings option. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page containing all the adjustable settings for your store's backend. Next, you'll want to locate the Payments option from this settings menu. Clicking it will bring you to the Payment Settings panel, where you can configure everything related to how you will process customer payments. Here, you'll see a variety of payment options that Shopify supports. After that, click on Additional Payment Methods. This is where you can explore and enable other payment options that best suit your store's needs beyond the standard Shopify payments. Enabling multiple payment methods can provide more flexibility to your customers, potentially increasing your sales. Once you're in, you'll see an option labeled Payment Capture Method, which allows you to choose how you prefer to capture payments from your customers. You can choose between automatic capture upon ordering or manually capturing payments at a later time. Each has its pros and cons, so decide based on what aligns best with your business model. Moving along, locate Manual Payment Methods. This feature is particularly useful for accepting payments that are processed outside of Shopify, such as cash on delivery or bank deposits. If you offer payment methods like these, ensure you have them set up correctly here to maintain a seamless checkout experience. Next up is Payment Method Customizations, which lets you tweak how payment options appear during checkout. Tailor these settings to suit your branding and ensure a smooth user experience for your customers. Make sure to review all available customizations to leverage them according to your business requirements. Now click on Gift Card Expiration. Here you can set expiration dates on any issued gift cards, which can help protect your revenue and prompt gift card recipients to use their cards sooner rather than later. Finally, head over to Apple Wallet Passes. By enabling this, customers can easily save their order receipts as Apple Wallet Passes, which enhances the convenience offered to iPhone users, making it simpler for them to track their orders and receipts directly from their mobile devices. And that's it! You've now successfully set up Shopify payments. This integration will make your store's checkout process efficient and secure, providing peace of mind to both you and your customers. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Happy selling!